Alrighty, we are back. How is everybody doing? Hope you are doing well. Andrew Kuhn, Focus Compounding. Thank you so much for tuning in with me here today in this YouTube video. We're going to be going over the 10 current overlooked stocks that are on our watch list. It's going to be very quick. It's Friday, but definitely take a look at these stocks. They all fit our criteria of being an overlooked stock, whether that's illiquid in some form or a smaller company or just a little bit more off the beaten path. So the first stock is Karelia Tobacco. It's a tobacco company in Greece. The second one's Straco, that is an aquarium operator. Third one is Exchange Bank. Fourth one is Trinity Bank. Obviously, both of those are banks. Fifth one, Monarch Cement. They operate cement plants and ready mix and a few other things. It's a great business. The sixth stock on our watch list is Tandy Leather. I'm sure everyone watching this video is probably familiar with that company. I think it's fallen a little bit in price lately, so a lot of people have been tweeting about it and talking about it. The seventh one on our watch list, and Jeff and I always laugh because I always butcher this name, Kopparbergs Bryggeri, I think. I'm not sure. We always laugh sometimes when dealing with these overseas companies, but that is a Swedish beverage brewery and cider company. The eighth one on our watch list is Canterbury Park. That's a live entertainment business. Think live horses and poker. The ninth one is Biffa, which is a waste management company, and that's an overseas company. And then the 10th one is also an overseas company, Virtu Motors, which I think the fourth largest dealership operator overseas, international. So those are the 10 stocks that are currently on our watch list. I'm going to put them in the description. I know I just kind of ran through them, but definitely be sure to check those out. And I want to thank everybody so much for tuning in with me here today, this Friday. Maybe once a week I'm going to upload the current stocks on our watch list because obviously it's always changing. So definitely be sure to subscribe to follow along for that. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. That helps spread the word, and we definitely appreciate that. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will see you in the next